Can we download the Quotex app on our smartphone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can download and install the Quotex app on our mobile phone. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is very basic. Head over to your app store and simply head over to the search bar to search for Quotex. After you search for Quotex, hit enter and just check if you find the app. Now, I have not yet seen the app or found the app in my iPhone. So yeah, this is not the way for me. So head over to your Safari and search for Quotex app. Now right there, you can see that you can actually use the Quotex app. You can simply use it in your mobile phone as in the browser. And if you scroll down, there is no download option as well. So that means that you cannot actually download Quotex app on your iPhone, but there is an app for Android. So if you guys are Android users, you can download this app on your mobile phone and use it if you want to. Now, yeah, that is basically it. Now, what you can do here is you can actually just use the Quotex app in your mobile phone. That is your web browser. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you found out that you cannot actually download the Quotex app on your iPhone, but the app is available for Android users. So that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.